Super excited, guys. I was actually able to get a trial of IXL that'll last about 90 days. So I wanted to just go over and show you some of this. Okay, so in your Google Classroom, you see, let me get out of this part. So I have it, if you just look for IXL, we can do more than 10 problems per day. You can click on it. You won't see that screen, you'll see the screen. If you click on the IXL username and password cards, you can pull up and see what your username and password is. So I'm just going to log in as Nicholas right now so you guys can see what that looks like. Okay, so I'm going to put in his username and password and sign in. And I'm just going to show you right now just for science. So you just click on your science, and anything that I have recommended for you to do will be highlighted in yellow. So what I specifically recommended was coming to the weather and climate section. And there are 6 topics in there, and you can pick any of those topics. So what's the difference between weather and climate? Okay, so it wants me to answer 5 questions in a row. So, does this passage describe the weather or the climate? Helena, Montana got 2 inches of rain last night. And I would say, well, since they're talking about specifically the weather yesterday, I would know that that's talking more about the weather and less about the climate, because we know climate is over an extended period of time. Okay, so I would click submit and keep going. Okay, so my main goal is to get 5 correct in a row. So your main thing is that you're looking to work on. Oh yeah, you're. Let me get away from you, you rotten butt. You're looking to try and get. Oh my gosh! Hold on a second. Can you put your butt down? Watching Ryan's World, real stuff. So your goal is to work on these 6 that are highlighted in yellow for this week, okay? There are lots of other things that we're going to work on, but this week is just about weather or climate. So that's that. Let me go ahead and show you the math aspect too. The math, if you'll, once again, go to your grade, 5th grade, see all 438 skills. If you'll scroll down, keep going for this week, kind of down towards towards the bottom. There are a bunch that are highlighted yellow in this one, and the main thing we're focusing on is adding and subtracting fractions, and we've all been working on that type of thing, so that'll be really good practice for you. You can start small and then work up. I do recommend you, though, try to work towards the end too, so you're getting a mixture of skills and not just sticking with 1, 2, 3, 4, the beginning skills. So there are those. I'm going to just show you an example. Level 1, like, what are some ways that I can break up 4/6? Well, I know I can do 2/6 plus 2/6, and another way to make 4/6 would be 1/6 plus 3/6. And I submit it. Woo! And I'm working on getting that good old SMART score like we used to do. And actually, Nicholas, I guess I'm helping your SMART score. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and sign out. And that is your IXL tutorial for the week. See you later.